Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for the latest car reviews, features, and comparisons. Today, we're diving into the refined and feature-packed 2026 GMC Terrain Denali, GMC's latest compact luxury SUV that blends rugged capability with premium comfort. Whether you're in the market for a stylish daily driver or a versatile weekend warrior, this vehicle might just check all the boxes. Let's take a closer look. Body panels. Starting with the exterior, the body panels of the 2026 Terrain Denali have been reimagined to offer a more athletic and sculpted appearance. Clean lines flow seamlessly from the front to the rear, creating a dynamic and modern silhouette. The panels use lightweight yet durable materials to enhance fuel efficiency while maintaining structural integrity. Subtle chrome accents add a touch of upscale flair, giving the SUV that signature Denali polish. Headlights. The new Terrain Denali features LED IntelliBeam headlights that automatically adjust high and low beams based on oncoming traffic. Not only do these provide excellent visibility during nighttime driving, but they also reduce glare for other drivers, ensuring safer travel for everyone on the road. The C-shaped signature lighting adds a distinctive touch, making the front fascia instantly recognizable. Taillights. Around the back, the taillights continue the LED treatment with a sharp, modern design. These aren't just about style, they offer improved visibility and quicker illumination, giving drivers behind you more reaction time during braking. The wraparound layout also enhances the SUV's wide and planted stance. Grille. Taking center stage at the front is the bold Denali signature grille. It's larger than previous models, with intricate chrome detailing and a three-dimensional mesh design that screams premium. Beyond aesthetics, the grille integrates active shutter technology, which opens and closes depending on driving conditions to improve aerodynamics and engine cooling. Seats. Step inside and you'll immediately notice the Denali's focus on comfort and luxury. The seats are trimmed in premium perforated leather, with both heating and ventilation available for the front row and optional heated rear seats. The cushions are supportive, designed to reduce fatigue on long drives, and the 8-way power adjustments ensure you find the perfect driving position every time. Dashboard. The dashboard layout is clean and driver-focused. Soft touch materials and brushed aluminum accents elevate the cabin's feel, while ambient lighting sets the mood for nighttime drives. All controls are well within reach, and the uncluttered design contributes to a calm and sophisticated atmosphere. Infotainment system. At the center of it all is a crisp 11-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. GMC's latest interface is faster, more responsive, and more intuitive than ever. It also includes a built-in navigation system, a premium Bose sound system, and an onboard Wi-Fi hotspot for maximum connectivity on the go. Voice control functions make it easy to operate while keeping your eyes on the road. Steering wheel. The heated leather-wrapped steering wheel not only adds comfort during colder months, but also features integrated controls for media, phone, and adaptive cruise control. It's ergonomically designed with a firm grip, allowing for better handling and driver feedback. The Denali badge on the lower spoke is a subtle but proud reminder of the SUV's premium status. Engine. Under the hood, the 2026 Terrain Denali is powered by a refined 2.0 liters turbocharged inline-4 engine, producing an estimated 250 horsepower and 280 pounds-feet of torque. Paired with a smooth shifting 9-speed automatic transmission, this powertrain delivers a confident and composed driving experience. Whether you're accelerating onto the highway or navigating city streets, the Terrain Denali handles it with grace and efficiency. Hybrid option. For those prioritizing efficiency, GMC now offers a hybrid variant of the Terrain Denali for the first time. This setup combines the turbocharged engine with a small electric motor to improve fuel economy and reduce emissions. It's perfect for city commuters who want to go further between fuel stops without sacrificing performance or capability. Regenerative braking and intelligent battery management optimize energy use seamlessly in the background. Airbags. On the safety front, the Terrain Denali is equipped with a comprehensive airbag system, including dual-stage front airbags, side impact airbags, and side curtain airbags with rollover sensors. This ensures all occupants are protected in the event of a collision, providing peace of mind for families and solo drivers alike. Parking assist. The HD surround vision system makes parking and low-speed maneuvering a breeze. Using multiple cameras around the vehicle, it gives you a bird's-eye view of your surroundings right on the infotainment screen. Coupled with automatic parking assist, the system can steer the SUV into both parallel and perpendicular spaces while you handle the brakes and gear selection. Price. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2026 GMC Terrain Denali starts at approximately $41,000, with fully loaded models pushing toward the $48,000 mark. Considering the blend of luxury, performance, and technology on offer, it's a compelling option in the compact luxury SUV segment. Ending note. And that wraps up our detailed look at the 2026 GMC Terrain Denali. From its bold exterior to the high-end interior and advanced tech, it's clear GMC has raised the bar once again. If you're in the market for a compact SUV that doesn't compromise on luxury or capability, the Terrain Denali definitely deserves a spot on your short list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Drop a comment below and let us know, would you go for the traditional turbo engine or the new hybrid option? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.